Ekufuado. Or Trini Muni Betine ya pe over Mahama Small can say he will not accept a flawed election. No. Ekufuado cannot be president when he has stolen or rigged the election. He cannot be. He will not have Ghana to rule. And I'm telling him, sir, Senaduyan is a Ghana for your Kwasiafo. Until one over we have been with J. Mensa, no be president be more Ghana ha. Me tonyame, me come same still, me come mama nine, me come papa nine. Odi agro. Ye be pam na wiakete. In fact, I recognize boxer shots no pie. Me tonyame.
How?
Me tonyame. He cannot be a president when he has rigged the election in this country. And I dare him. So pa, so a Berman de mienu a on there. And one of them say, some military agenda when the team say, or course soldier for say, soldier for keep silence, no. One year course of Mali. Omunyan kwasia for. Omunyimi ye. Ebi amonsa no. Omonsa, omontesa no. Ya jimi wo mutrim. Say, omu military for no, omu refi say, omu ye Ghana for, na omu nuanom na omu ni ye be fe so. Who are you? Say we are president to work order say, ebi a military form ni emekon. Look, he will not be president today, tomorrow when he rigs the election. Until me and see that. That is a caution to him. And nobody is ready to accept a flawed election. Nobody in this country. So what you numa, why you numa, what it Ghana for, what my ye pay away ye who sim, ye bre, ye su, ye tim penting kwa, will say, oh, the fan who abe we have been, abe president, oh, ye so. And then Kakwasian in the Agroni uyate. Eti mane nye da se ebesi da e ma wemu. Amane nye da. Because yen pese kwase bebu man yo ebiem da. Ebisi biem. Ebisi biem. What do I say? So why Jane say we are president. Enti we are commander in chief. Commander in chief no
who is so very gay election.
Me say na agye so be regi election no na onim nyansa because election no ye kwa kind of polling station eno tina me say me catch say the key word or the byword for this election no e vigilance. Ghana for ye mekwa ko gina ho, in fact Okada for le be so ayen e de yakọ gina polling station wa me yakoto aba no na ye ni Okada for ne be kwa tena ho ye be kenkan ye kan wie ni ye hu say Akufo do warrior ye be bubo no police station on ya start jubilate. It is a one year say e ba bedru e bia Jemensa ho no ya wo ba be declare no na sa time no one manipulate a odi agro e ye jimi fo adwen ne odwen no e ye jimi because obi oni na say bia odwen say se me wi amafa me din kunuma amafa but say you say ubedi nkwasi asem o man mu amanipa ho abekire wo mo ama ne ye pai ho ayehuni asirim. Why my people are so disappointed in the party and in you. Now kofa Jemensa so me wi abamu ma ah na menua but o ka se me tiwe me huru manim kom esro dabi ana nipa mu nim nyansa o mote Ghana ha no say oh Ghana for there ene e basa obi abekwa kwose dem me say eduru ho a ene obehu se mema e wo fie. What must I say? Say na dwe ya ne say o ba be wi abam na Ghana for akose dem me say na dwe man na dwe because immediately e be we ni aba no yeah aba no o be lusuo no. In fact wonim se wa lusu dada because o ma ye pulls be bre a o wa lusuo yeah wonim se wa lusuo enye Jemensa na betima say no
because of that internet media houses are no me
say one pa media houses no Send 2016 or call far media houses via na omo na e kire de mo fanto TV ne so no e bedru hodom no media house no kra no omo kra no omo dwen nya omo say sa Jimmy na wo Jimmy omo 2016 no omo be sa Jimmy omo biem. What must I say?
Okay.
Etino say odwen say e sa be Jimmy bre na e bia sa time computer ni ho say NDC phone nim nyansa obi anim nyansa o Ghana ha ono pe nanim nyansa na ene on forget it.
Okay.
Sa eba ya ye kotu yi say ye the computer na ekokan sami ensi ye kan o police station ho 1 2 3 worry say bana se mahama area Mahama won't me so on we. Akufo-Addo edi nkunum onko president. Na se pass Akufo-Addo wa wi abam was wa be president. Mi tonyame. Oh dey see Mali no. Enu kura so. Odi agrokra.
Okay.
Etino wo ye NDC ni, wo ye ho ahwan ni, wo ye Ghana ni, me say munya sa politics of NDC MPP no. Abawe eye Akufo-Addo versus Ghana. Ye ji o minus ho Ghana nya Akufo-Addo dia, enye ni nua ne Kanofori atanom ni, enye omo dia, enye Japafo dia, enye Sakawa boys dia. Ye ji o man no esi ho ne ye o man ni yiye. Amanchirima. Enye akrofo eman ene ye kekere.
Okay.
What must say? Eti election we no eye Akufo-Addo versus Ghana.
Okay.
That's why Ghana ni a ye nyina ye fe yetam mo ano. Ni en kamfua, ni en to aba no, ni en make sure say ye pam kokotira kan na wote ye so no. Ya ono sebio on pay yie na ope na busua ani chebi enko ayie na chebi nko ano so ni kuromfo ye friends ni nuanom pe a mo free chebi. Eno kwanya ni nuanom nyina. Ni nuanom bi ya omo ya kromfo ye Sakawa boys no. Eno ti na hu say ye se ko check udin. E dey na che Sakawa we say ko check udin. Why must the electorate pay for it? Yes, if our phone, maybe yes, if our phone, never short code, no, and never boss. My son say company been a winning bid, no. Some company no, or your foster, and your fraud, and your chrono, and your Sakawa. Why must the electorate pay for it? Me na make what no. Why must I pay for any cost? Because your master. Sika akodi sankofo we makrofo we JMS edianimu sika akodi om ho no they have not even accounted for it. Mo boy ka enough limited registration no aye we house yes asesa no nya sabe na wum. We say be new voters register ye limited registration. Same kwasia Ghana for na Akufo-Addo bu ye say ye kwasia for no ye ni ate. It is so say wo ba be wi abam. One day on consult because ono enche na waduru dankwa na so na no kobuzi aho enche obeko Victor Usu na se Victor Usu oduru ni ho na se wanfa so tro na bebe fia na senara.
Okay. That's Nana Prof.